now we're going to see how we can compress files. So I'm going to move back up directory. We can see that we're back in the home directory. Now I'm going to compress test into a gzip file. So what I'm going to do is use tar command with the arguments z for zip, c for compress, v and f for verbose and force, and compress.tar.gzip. This is the name of the compressed file, and what we want to compress is test. There we go. Everything has been compressed. If we look what we have now, we have right here a file compressed.tar.gzip. Okay? And we can add new things to that same thing. So I could add the tech.mf and bin folders to that, and we can see they have all been added. And now if we go to ls to see what happens, everything has just been put into compressed.tar.gzip. I'm going to move now the compressed file, so move compressed at the end to test. Okay, so now let's go into test. Compressed is right there, and now we're going to uncompress the file. So I'm going to use tar again. Now we have minus z because it's still gzip, x for extract, vf as before, and we want to uncompressed compress.tar.gzip. And it decompressed everything. Let's see what we have here. We now have the bin and techmf folders. And so everything has been uncompressed, which is pretty good. For some reason, the test has been removed. That's probably because I entered it twice and the second time it just removes it. Okay, now we can go back to our scripts and see how we can make it executable. Because if we go and see nano test.py, we can see that I've put this thing here called a shebang. It tells the computer how to execute a text file if it's a script. But there's another thing we need to do, and that's to change the permissions of that file. So I want to change the permissions of test.py to make it executable. That's what the a+x is making here. Okay, and now if I type test.py, dot, because it's in the current repository, .test.py, it just prints out hello world. If I do the same thing for test2, now I do dot, because it's in the current repository, test2.py, it asks me my name. I say my name is Emil Yetzer. Hello, Emil Yetzer. Everything works fine.